In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create capture page on Systeme.io. We're going to build a simple capture page, also called an opt-in page, inside Systeme.io, and then connect it to a thank you page so the funnel works properly from start to finish. This is a great setup if you want to collect email leads, offer a free resource, or guide visitors into the next step of your marketing process. Start by going to your Systeme.io dashboard. Once you're inside, click on Sites and then choose Sales Funnels. This is where you'll create and manage the pages that make up your funnel. Next, click Create. You'll be asked to enter a name for your funnel, so give it a clear name that helps you identify it later. Under the funnel goal options, select Build an Audience. This option is designed specifically for lead generation and will automatically give you the basic structure you need for a capture funnel. After that, click Save. Now open the newly created funnel by clicking on its name. Inside the funnel steps, choose the Squeeze page, which is your opt-in page, from the menu on the left. You'll then see a gallery of pre-built templates. Browse through them and click Select on the one that best matches your style or goal. Don't worry too much about making it perfect at this stage because you can fully customize it next. After selecting a template, click Edit Page. This opens the drag and drop builder where you can change the headline, text, colors, and overall look of the page to match your offer. Keep your messaging clear and focused so visitors immediately understand what they're getting in exchange for their email address. As you customize the page, make sure the email field and the button are easy to see and easy to use. Then click the button and check the settings on the left-hand side. Set the button action to send form and make sure it redirects to the next step in the funnel. This part is very important because it ensures that when someone subscribes, they're automatically taken to the correct follow-up page. Once everything looks good, click Save, then Exit. Back in the funnel view, click the Thank You page step in the left menu. Choose a template and click Select, then click Edit Page. Customize this page based on what should happen after the opt-in. You might use it to deliver a freebie, introduce an offer, or simply tell subscribers what to expect next. When you're done, click Save and then Exit. And that's it. Your capture page funnel is now set up in Systeme.io and ready for final review and testing.